How to report an absence at Walmart. Let's get started. First, call the Walmart Associate hotline. Dial 1-800-775-5944. Have a Walmart identification number, WIN, birth date, and store number ready to verify your identity. Then follow the prompts to report your absence. After calling the hotline, you may be required to inform your store directly. Contact your manager or supervisor to let them know about your absence and provide any additional details. Next, you can use Walmart app or website. Log into the One Walmart portal with your credentials. Navigate to report an absence or similar section, depending on your store's protocol. Complete the required steps to officially record your absence. Aim to report your absence at least 3 hours before your scheduled shift. Ensure your reason aligns with company policies to avoid potential disciplinary action. For medical absences, consider keeping a doctor note handy if required. Check your attendance records via the app or website to ensure your absence was recorded properly. So this is how you can easily report an absence at Walmart. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.